Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lulu Matlala, and please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment, and please share this video with your loved ones. Lovely. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate you guys a lot. Guys, welcome back to a new video. So this is just going to be hair installation video, guys. I'm trying to get into the hair business, so I want to try different hair suppliers. So far I only bought this hair from this supplier and I think I am happy. I don't think I will look further because I really love this hair, guys. Look at the lace. Look at the lace. I really love this hair. I love the quality. I love the texture. I think it's very nice. I think it is very nice. Yeah guys, if you are interested, if you love this hair, you know what to do. Please send me an inbox on Instagram or WhatsApp and I will reply. Please like this video, please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Please share this video, please watch this video till the end and just leave me a heart in the comment section if you watched till the end, guys.